depart from here, we'll then talk to Farnborough straight away. I think there's no point listening into Southampton. We'll go straight on to Farnborough. Lee Radio, good morning, Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa, PA28, 2PB, parked on the grass, request radio check and airfield information for flight to Sywell.
Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa, good morning, readability 5, and release runway 23 with the right hand circuit to the QNH 1012.
Roger, readability 5, also runway 23 right hand circuit, QNH 1012, and we'll taxi the hold Alpha 1 initially, Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa.
Roger.
Out the right. Brakes, happy days. You can check around to left, and ball compass DI. The time, 35.
Full Tango Romeo's down with right hand, full touch and go.
Golf Tango Romeo, roger.
And Golf Juliet Papa, Echo 1 ready for departure.
Golf Juliet Papa, roger, surface wind 240 degrees, 11 knots, 1 retreat head of the climb now.
Roger, visual the helicopter and also visual downwind. Lining up now, Golf Juliet Papa. Happy days, so altimeter is set, transponder can come on. Heater heat not required, and the lights, the rest of them can come on. Happy days, heels on the floor. 1, 2, 3, T's and P's are good. Airspeed is alive. Wind is straight down the runway, which is nice. Shouldn't take long to lift off. There she goes. Keep an eye on that helicopter because he's in the circuit, so we'll stay behind him. So yeah, we're trying to keep 2,200 for the way, and it's nice because it's off. You don't want to stick at, lots of people stick at 2,000, 2,500, you stick at the off ones, and then means you're less likely to bump into roadblocks then, and there's 40 of them that are all flying at 2,000, 2,500 say. So trim us off, get us all set up in the cruise. Golf Juliet Papa departed the circuit to the north, changing now to Farnborough 125.250. Speak to you later on.
Golf Juliet Papa to Farnborough, roger, see you later, have a good flight.
Thanks. Farnborough radar, good morning, Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa for traffic service.
Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa, Farnborough radar, pass message.
Good morning, Golf Bravo Uniform Juliet Papa, PA28, 2PB, VFR from Lee-on-Solent to Sywell. We're currently 3 miles northeast of Wickham. We're going to be routing to Alton through the Odeon Mats, if possible, then on to Reading, Westcott, and up to Sywell. Request traffic service. We are 2,300, 1012.
Golf Juliet Papa, Farnborough QNH 1012, Squawk 0435, basic service.
Squawk 0435, basic service, Golf Juliet Papa.
That's QNH 2.
And QNH 1012, Golf Juliet Papa. Okay, so keep a really good lookout now. We're just about to enter the hold. Slowed down nicely, he's got plenty of time.
Oh, traffic, runway 21 in use, QNH 1008, QFE 993 hectopascals.
We can start our turn now. West, coming down nicely, 1,700. He's seen us, which is good. PA28 Golf Bravo, Uniform Juliet Papa, leaving Pittsford, runway 21 right, hard, QFE 992.
Golf Bravo, Uniform Juliet Papa, Sywell, roger.
PA28 Golf Bravo, Uniform Juliet Papa, final, number 121 right, QFE 992, visual 1 on.
Juliet Papa, roger, with the one just locating at the far end in sight, 21 right, land your discretion, 21012.
Okay, carburetor heat can come off, 300 feet. Straight down the runway, but it's a bit turbulent with the... Well, it's really bumpy, isn't it?
RV8 Golf Oscar Charlie Tango Oscar, final 21 left grass.
Golf Tango Oscar, 1 ahead for the hard, 21 left, land your discretion, 21015 knots.
Land at discretion, Golf Tango Oscar.
Golf Charlie Foxtrot India Hotel. 21 right, 992.
India Hotel, roger, there's 1 ahead for the golf and 1 to vacate the hard.
So roll on, off the taxiway Alpha.
Request parking in the flea market, please.
Oh, welcome to Sywell. Roger. Lovely.
Left Golf Sierra Alpha Charlie Hotel, leaving Pittsford for runway 2 with 21 left.
Come off.
QFE 992.
Golf Sierra Alpha Charlie Hotel, Sywell, roger. Do you want the hard?
AFM, 2 on right, please, Golf Juliet Papa.
Golf Juliet Papa, taxi forward, hold point Bravo 1.
Roger, taxi holding Bravo 1, and we've got 1007, Golf Juliet Papa.
Roger, thanks. Golf Romeo Sierra, report lined up.
Golf Romeo Sierra.
Golf Romeo Sierra, 21 hard, take off your discretion, wind 240 degrees 9 knots.
Take off 21 hard, Golf Romeo Sierra.
Golf Juliet Papa, report lined up on the hard.
Wilco, report lined up, Golf Juliet Papa.
Hello, Golf Indy Charlie Romeo Victor, we're ready. 1007, we're holding Bravo 2 for the hard, please.
Golf Romeo Victor, taxi Bravo 1.
Bravo 1, Golf Romeo Victor.
Golf Juliet Papa, runway 21 right, take off your discretion, wind 230 degrees 7 knots.
Roger, Golf Juliet Papa.
Our broadcast runway 21, QNH 1007, QFE 9 at 9 at 2 hectopascals. Romeo Victor, report lined up.
Report lined up, Golf Romeo Victor.
P's and P's are good, airspeed is alive.
Golf Romeo Victor, runway 21 right, take off your discretion, wind 230 degrees 10 knots.
Our discretion, runway 21 hard, Golf Romeo Victor.
Good, and 80 knots. Combo radar, good afternoon, Golf Bravo, Uniform Juliet Papa, traffic service.
Golf Bravo Uniform Charlie Papa, I think it was. Say again and pass your message.
Hello sir, it's Golf Bravo, Uniform Juliet Papa, PA28 2POB from Sywell to Lee-on-Solent. We're currently overhead Westcott, 2,400 feet on a QNH 1007. We're going to be routing Reading, Alton VRP through the Odeon Mats, and then down to Lee-on-Solent, request traffic service.
Golf Juliet Papa, QNH 1010, so basic service initially, squawk 5020.
Roger, basic service, QNH 1010 and squawking 5020, basic service, Golf Juliet Papa.
Golf Papa Oscar, what's your next turning point?
So we'll come down a little bit. So Lee-on-Solent's literally just over to our sort of 1 o'clock. Usually we'd have to call Fleetlands beforehand because they've got their ATZs, but and we can start slowing it down now a little bit as well. Golf Juliet Papa, long final 23 to land.
Golf Juliet Papa, Roger, surface wind 280 degrees 11 knots.
Roger, Golf Juliet Papa. Drift. Lovely. Can't complain at that. A fleet of aircraft.